Good morning. Are you awake?
Yes, I am awake now.
Do you want some coffee?
Yes, please. I need some coffee.
Is it time to get up?
Yes, it's already 7:30.
What should we have for breakfast?
We can have some toast and jam.
I can't find my keys.
Maybe they are on the table.
Excuse me, does this train go to the city center?
Yes, this one goes to the city center.
What time is the next bus?
It comes in 10 minutes.
How much is a ticket to the museum?
A ticket is $3.
Where can I buy a bus pass?
You can buy one at the station.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
Hello. My name is Paul.
Hi, Paul. I'm Maria.
It's nice to meet you, Maria.
It's nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Spain.
What do you do for work?
I am a doctor at the hospital.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Are you free on Friday?
Yes, I am free in the evening.
Would you like to see a movie?
Yes, that sounds like a great idea.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 6 o'clock.
Where should we meet?
We can meet outside the cinema.
Should I bring anything?
No, you don't need to bring anything.
Excuse me, where is the rice?
The rice is in aisle 4.
Do you have any fresh apples?
Yes, the fresh apples are over there.
How much are these bananas?
They are $2 a kilo.
I need to buy some milk.
The milk is in the back of the store.
Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am ready now.
Excuse me, I'm looking for the post office.
Go straight and then turn left at the corner.
Is the bank far from here?
No, it's only a 5-minute walk.
Can you show me on the map?
Yes, of course. We are right here.
Is there a supermarket near here?
Yes, there is one across the street.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are very welcome.
Do you have this sweater in blue?
One moment. I will check for you.
What size is this t-shirt?
This one is a medium size.
Can I try this jacket on?
Sure, the changing rooms are on your right.
How much does this dress cost?
That dress is $45.
I will take this one, please.
Great. Will that be cash or card?
I'd like to make an appointment with the doctor.
Okay, when are you free?
Is Thursday morning possible?
Yes, we have an opening at 9 a.m. Does that time work for you?
Yes, 9 o'clock is perfect for me.
What is your name, please?
My name is Paul Smith. Do I need to bring anything?
Please bring your ID card with you.
What would you like to drink?
I'll have an orange juice, please.
Are you ready to order your food?
Yes, I'll have the chicken salad.
What is your favorite food?
I really love eating pizza.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I really enjoy cooking at home.
Would you like some dessert?
No, thank you. I am too full.
Can we have the bill, please?
Of course, I'll bring it right now.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish work at 5 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I often meet my friends for dinner.
Do you have a busy day tomorrow?
Yes, I have a lot of meetings planned.
What time do you usually go to sleep?
I try to go to bed around 11 o'clock.
Hello, I have a booking for tonight.
Okay, what is your last name, please?
My last name is Smith.
Yes, I see your reservation right here.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 to 10.
Can I have my room key, please?
Of course, here is your key card.
My new laptop is not working.
Maybe you should try to restart it.
Do you know how to use this app?
Yes, I can show you how it works.
My phone battery is very low.
I have a charger you can use.
What time do I need to check out?
You need to check out by 11 in the morning.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is guest123.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well.
Okay, I will try to speak a little louder.
Hello, may I please speak to Mr. Davis?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Can I leave a message for him?
Yes, of course. I am ready.
I am calling about our meeting tomorrow.
Oh, yes. Is everything okay?
I just want to confirm the time.
Yes, the meeting is at 2 o'clock.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis on the weekends.
Are you good at playing the guitar?
No, not really. I am just learning.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to visit my parents.
Could you please spell your name for me?
Yes, it's S-M-I-T-H.
What a beautiful day it is today.
Yes, the sun is shining so brightly.
Is it cold outside right now?
Yes, you should probably wear a jacket.
Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
The forecast says it will be sunny all day.
I don't like it when the weather is hot.
Me too. I much prefer the spring.
The weather is perfect for a nice walk.
I agree. Let's go to the park.
Can you help me with the dishes?
Sure, I can wash them for you.
What's for dinner tonight?
I am making pasta with vegetables.
Is there anything good on TV?
There is a new movie on at 8 o'clock.
The house is a little bit messy.
I know. I will help you clean it up.
Do we need anything from the store?
Yes, we need to buy some more bread.
Are you busy this afternoon?
Yes, I have a big meeting at 3.
Do you want to take a coffee break?
Yes, that sounds like a good idea.
Can you help me with this report?
Of course. What do you need help with?
When is the project due?
It is due at the end of next week.
Did you remember to send that email?
Yes, I sent it early this morning.
I don't feel very well today.
You should probably go home and rest.
I have a really bad headache.
You can take some medicine for that.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's just around the corner from here.
I am trying to eat healthier these days.
That is great. I can cook you a healthy meal.
Do you exercise very often?
I try to go for a run twice a week.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beautiful beaches in Spain.
Did you have a good time?
Yes, it was a very relaxing trip.
Where should we go for our next holiday?
Let's go somewhere with mountains.
I need to book my flight soon.
You should book it now before prices go up.
Did you pack your suitcase yet?
No, I am going to do it tomorrow.
I really like your new shoes.
Thank you. I just bought them yesterday.
How is your family doing?
They are all doing very well, thank you.
It was very nice talking to you.
It was nice talking to you as well.
I'm sorry, but I have to go now.
Okay, I will see you again later.
Have a great evening.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye for now.